You see these wells too? You see these wells, bruh?
Oh my God. Oh yeah.
Yo! We back, man. The first official mod since I'm making like a video of it. I did a few things to the R1. If y'all didn't see it in the last video. Put the smoke windscreen on there. Mirror cap, mirror block offs. I put the servo buddy in here because if you're going to get a slip-on, most slip-ons do not come with a servo buddy. And a servo buddy is for something with the ECU so that it doesn't go into limp mode on the newer bikes. If you can see the title of the video, we got the RaceFit slip-on. I went with them because one, I seen a guy on the gram rocking it with his R1. I wouldn't have to wait like if I was getting a SC Project or Austin Racing. I heard like their wait time is months, so I wasn't even trying to wait that long. So we got this one instead. I ordered it maybe a week and a half ago, and it came pretty fast. Hopefully it doesn't take long because I already took off the slip-on that came with the bike. So hopefully it should just be a few bolts holding it in, pop it off, install this bad boy, give out a little sound clip, call it a video. It's not really like a tutorial, it's kind of like, well, it is kind of a tutorial and like a do it with me at the same time. So we'll hop right in it. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't know what exhaust comes with earplugs. So I did need some, I'm not gonna lie. Cause the wind noise is pretty crazy, but we're gonna see how loud this gonna get. As you can see, got the RaceFit logo. And you could customize it too. It could come with I don't know what you call the piece over top of the can. I just call it a can cover, I don't know. But you can get a carbon fiber one, a black one, or you can go with the titanium. So I went with the whole titanium because I wanted it to be all one piece for real. Yo! I'm geek, bruh. You see these wells too? You see these wells, bruh? Oh my God. That's tough. Y'all see it. And then when this joint starts to blue as well as time goes on, because my headers are already bluing a little bit, it's gonna look sweet. If you don't wanna wait, if you don't want to be quiet for too long, because my thing is riding out in the streets, you want people to hear you. So I took that off and put the servo buddy on, and I opened the valve. So it sounds pretty good. Oh, this is loud. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do that. Got your neck. Give me my two. Just know it's loud, all right? When we throw the slip on, I'll give y'all a sound clip outside. First thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna take this bottom piece out right here. This metal piece that's covering the header and a little bit of the cap. Take this other one out. Make sure you save the washer that goes. All right. Put the other washer. All right, and this right here. Let's put the bolts back in so you don't lose them. Then we got what we got. We got this clamp nut. You got your O2 sensor, and then you got another clamp on the other side. Make sure you take this off. And you got this bolt right here over the rear brake. Definitely going the wrong way right now. Let me just get my impact. I gotta get a jump that adapts to this, because I don't right now. This jump don't want to come off. That my boy? My boy just pull up on me? I know know he did not just do that. This man's crazy.
I was coming from the meeting, I was like, might as well.
That's why I called you.
So much bugs on my visor, I can't see.
It's too dark, but my boy Alex pulled up on me. I guess you're gonna help me get this junk off then. What?
I thought it was already on, that's why you were calling me.
No. It's not gonna take long though.
I thought you was calling me because you had it on.
No. Yeah, I was gonna call you to pull up though. So this is the valve motor connected to the, oh, what was that? Okay. Oh, all right. I already pulled the wires off. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. All you gotta do is unscrew it. This is the servo, buddy. That plugged up, if it focuses. And this can, oh damn. Okay, well yeah, come right off. Then all I gotta do is pull the two cords and pull it out this way. Or pull it out. Damn. There we go. Perfect. Bada bing, bada boom. And this junk long as hell. Come on. There we go. Oh my God. Damn. Oh, feel how heavy this is. What the f? This junk is heavy. Heavy. It kind of look good without it though. Nothing right there. I can curl this jump.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that jump heavy as 20. They said 20, yeah. They said 20 pounds. All right, bet. Whoa, brother. All right. Now we're gonna install this thing, and this thing probably weigh what? Put this part first, yeah. Put the O2 sensors back in there, and damn near we'll be good to go for real. Oh, I almost had it.
Need help there, bro?
Nope. I got it.
There you go. There you go. How when you don't got nowhere to go?
Cool. Like shit, boy. Goes right there. All right, so we're gonna take that one off. That's a bet. Bingo. Boom. Woo. Should look good, don't it? This is just looking sweet. Do from the other side, right? Yeah.
But
this is so sketchy.
Yeah. Like that. Just hold it from up there too. Yeah.
Cool beans. Isn't that weird? These little cheap ass clamps. Huh? It is. Yeah, it's all the way in there. Fuck it. I want it to come off. One spark plug, two spark plug, screw. Yeah, this y'all not going nowhere. So
I can bring them back then.
okay. But so the OEM clamps for the old exhaust do not fit. They're too big for the RaceFit exhaust. So one of these days, I'm gonna, if it focuses, we're gonna shave this down so that we can clamp it all the way. But it ain't going nowhere, so we're gonna ride without it. When you throwing it on, one bolt to the chassis, one bolt to the rear set, the spring clamp, whatever you want to call it, to connect the mid pipe to the slip-on and your O2 sensor, and that's all you need to throw the joint on. And it looks good too. So they put some type of sticker on there, and I already peeped it coming off, so I'm about to just take that off, honestly. Holy shit. That time. Y'all gotta see his flames too.